Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So today I'm going to show you how to disable all startup programs in your Windows 10 PC, and here I show the steps within 2 minutes. But before going to the tutorial, first of all, why we disable the startup programs? Because if I try to switch on my Windows 10 PC, at same time most of the applications are starts to running in my Windows 10 background. But here my PC configurations are very high, which means that I am using 8 GB of RAM and 4 GB of graphics properties. So due to this reason, the startup programs does not slow up my PC. But you imagine, if you are using low configuration PC, it surely affect your Windows 10 performance, and also it slow up your PC. So to avoid this kind of problems, most of the people are searching how to disable these startup programs. So if you are one of the person, just follow me friends. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Windows settings by press your Windows key in your keyboard, and then one pop-up window is opening. So in this section, in left side it shows some icons. So here you can press gear icon to accessing the settings menu, and my setting is now ready to use. So here you can go to app section, and in this app section, in left side also it shows some options, but you can select startup and the final one. So finally here you can see, so these are the some applications are slow up my Windows 10 PC. So here you can click to turn off all the applications. So once you turn off these applications, and don't forget to restart your Windows 10 PC. So this is the way you can easily disable all Windows 10 startup programs by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechAns, and thanks for watching.